Hello and welcome, developers and tech enthusiasts. Programming, the very foundation of our digital world, is going through a silent revolution. Artificial intelligence, once seen as something distant, has now become an essential tool for every developer. But here is the question: how will AI transform the way we write code? Let's explore the future of programming with AI. AI will not replace developers. Instead, it will empower them. Think of it as a co-pilot, a personal coding assistant that speeds up development in ways we never thought possible. It can automate repetitive and tedious tasks, such as generating boilerplate code, writing unit tests, or creating documentation. This frees developers to focus on more complex and creative challenges. AI can also act as a superhuman debugger. It can analyze millions of lines of code in seconds, identify bugs, and suggest precise corrections faster than any traditional tool. For beginners, AI makes coding more accessible, with tools that generate code from natural language. People with little experience can quickly build prototypes and understand complex concepts. Of course, there are risks. If developers rely too heavily on AI, we may end up with less original software. Since AI learns from existing patterns, it can replicate generic solutions, limiting innovation and critical thinking. AI-generated code may also include vulnerabilities or security flaws, especially if trained on faulty data. And using code without proper oversight may introduce malicious libraries, making software more exposed to attacks. There are also legal concerns. When AI generates code based on public data from repositories like GitHub, questions of copyright arise. Without clear regulation, this could lead to legal disputes. The future of programming is not about machines replacing humans, but about collaboration between the two. The developer of the future will not only be a coder, but also a prompt architect and an AI mentor. The main role will be to define the problem, guide AI, review the generated code, and ensure the final solution is secure, efficient, and original. With repetitive tasks automated, developers will have more time to focus on creativity and innovation. AI in programming is not a robot that replaces us, but an extension of our abilities. The code is the language of machines, but creativity and logic will always belong to us. So the real question is, what future of code will you build with AI?